Chloromethane Lewis dot structures. CH3Cl Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but here we have 3 hydrogen multiplied by 3, and chlorine has 7 valence electron. So totally we have 4 plus 3 plus 7, so 10, 14 valence electron totally in chloromethane compound. This 14 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together. Okay. The second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms. Here carbon is a central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond and it is least electronegative. Hydrogen is always considered outer atom. Let me satisfy the octet of outer atom. Here, for connecting we have used 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We have used all the 14 valence electron that are available in chloromethane compound. So now check for octet. Octet, then duet, 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 octet for central atom. So we can say that this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a line or dash. So this is another form of writing Lewis structure. This is the structure or formula of chloromethane also.